And if we don't make tawbah and turn to Allah, you can protest till your heart's content, till every single one of you lose your voice. It will not have the desired effect. Nothing will change. You know how khatarnak guna are? How khatarnak guna are? Let me just give you an example. Prophet ﷺ is reading Fajr Salah. It is Surah Rum. And he got confused in Salah. You know, Hafizs get mutashabihat, make a mistake, get confused with verses. So the Nabi of Allah has got confused in Salah. You know what the Prophet ﷺ said after Salah? Prophet ﷺ said, why is it that people read namaz with us that do la yuhsinun at-tahur? These are the words. They don't do wuzu properly, and they're reading namaz with us. They are the cause of this confusion. It's because of them I got confused in